Well done guys. So if you are looking for sticker in CapCut, you are looking for where to download sticker in CapCut, I'm going to show you where to download them. So let's say you are a musician and you have one particular video, you can just add this sticker. Let me drag it down. So this is a pro feature, so you can drag it down and take it to the direction that you want. Let's say I want to put it here. So just let me turn off this one here. See, let me look for any dark, maybe dark background that I can use. I don't want to use this particular. Okay, I think I'm going to use, oh no, this one. Let me use this one now. So I'm going to delete all this one now. Right. This is what I'm using now. So let me put this particular sticker here now. So you can see, you can drag it down, and then maybe you want to play any sound. Let me look for any of my sound, at all. Let me look for any of my sound, and then just use this particular. You can see I have couples of beats here that. Okay, I'm going to probably pick. I think I'm going to pick any one of these. Let me pick this one. So let me play it and so you can see. So let me try another one again. There are other sticker. So there are other sticker that you can also use as well. So you can download them and use. You can see this one as well too. So some of people use this one too. So this one you can just put it up here. You want to make it big, you want to make it small, you can just put it here, just like spectrum. This one, let me centralize it. You need TikTok icon, you need TikTok logo. You are here. You need, let me check some other ones. Emoji, you want to add any emoji, you can search them here. So there are different options. There are different things that you want to, you want to add some, sticker, you want to add anything like that, you want to add it to your video to light it up. See this one now, you want to add any love emoji, there's something about love you're talking about, or there's a content about love and you want to add stickers to it, you can also add it from this particular place here. So everything that you need is already in the CapCut. You don't need to go to extra particular place to look for any sticker at all. You already have them here already, so you can see. So let me pick some of the ones that are already a full of time, so I don't want to. Okay, so let me download this one. Let's say you want to highlight one particular place, you're talking about one particular place, you want to highlight it to the audience, you can click on this one. So I'll wait for it to download. So thank you guys for watching till this stage. Peace.